Hello students, under the e-learning program of modern, we are going to discuss about global poverty scenario. Interstate we have discussed, so now we are going to discuss about global poverty scenario. विश्व स्तर पर we will compare among the regions. First we have need to discuss about the World Bank. As you know, World Bank always measuring on the base of income, but here they are measuring poverty on the base of expenditure. Expenditure. First he has given $1 per day. Next revised $1.25. Now it is present $1.90 per day. It is criteria of World Bank for measuring poverty. So at the first we can compare it on the base of fall in global poverty. Actually, we have discussed in each and every region we are finding poverty is going to be down. Just here try to consider in 2K11 we have discussed the poverty was present 268 millions in India. But do you know now 50 millions population are suffering under poverty in India according to 2K18. According to 2K18, try to consider on such base we can say poverty is going to fall. Poverty is going to fall. Here in spite of it, in such concern, we can say the world poverty that was present that is present in 600 million people. But under one estimation in 2K30, the population only will happen 436 million under the poverty. It is also one example falling down of poverty in the world scenario. Here the second we can say the regional compare. Regional comparison. under the regional comparison, we can say each and every region has not the same poverty. No, just like 70% people of all poverty below were present in Africa, while sometimes before 80% समूचे विश्व का 80% were living in Africa, but now 70%, and under one estimation it will be falling down in coming year. So here we can say the regional poverty is also going down. Now we have seen nowadays only 21.9% people are present under the poverty line. And do you know, under the estimation till 2K30 only 3% people will be below in poverty line. Now we are going to discuss about the sub-Saharan. The countries that are present in the surrounding of Sahara Desert are living under poverty line. But a special factor, a special feature is present. The world percentage that are falling down, such type of falling down poverty is not present in sub-Saharan. जैसे विश्व में गरीबी नीचे जा रही है, कम होते जा रही है, सब सहारन में भी कम हो रही है, लेकिन उस दर से नहीं जिस दर से विश्व में हो रहा है। वहाँ घट रही है लेकिन कम, घटता तो है लेकिन कम अनुपात में। एज वेल एज द फिफ्थ Latin American countries like as Brazil, Venezuela, Chile, Peru, Argentina, such type of countries are considered under Latin American. Due to the contact with the European as well as development in agriculture as well as non-farming activities, the poverty is going to fall down in Latin American countries also. As well as sixth, Russia. Actually first till 1990 we have no any knowledge about the people's condition of Russia, because communism was present, so no any news was coming up from Russia. But nowadays only 4% people are living under the poverty in Russia, and under the estimation till 2K30 it will present only 1%. What a good scene. As well as now we are going to give at present what is the comparison of countries. Comparison in which first Nigeria has 89 million peoples. 89 million people, as well as Congo 58 million, and India 50 to 55 million. Ethiopia 28 million. Madagascar 20 million. Tanzania 18 million. Indonesia 10 million, no, 14 million. Uganda 14 million, as well as South Africa 13 million. यहाँ पर ध्यान देने की बात है कि यह तो मिलियन के आधार पर हम लोगों ने इस बात की चर्चा कर दी, लेकिन नाइजीरिया मात्र 10 करोड़ 12 करोड़ वहाँ की जनसंख्या ही है, उसमें 9 करोड़ के लगभग। कांगो 10 करोड़ में 6 करोड़। भारत 135 करोड़ में 55 करोड़। ध्यान देने की बात ये है, ध्यान देने की बात ये है, in this way we can say the position of India is not so bad. Now our government is giving proper attention towards the गरीबी उन्मूलन कार्यक्रम. We will discuss in the next video.